Hey, shit, I need to do a video. Jamal. Alright, you gotta go right now. Keep for the love and affection. But you gotta go. How old is this cat?
Oh, probably. Yeah.
What's wrong with you, kitty? Get off. Okay, there you go. Get off my boot.
No.
Oh. Cat attack.
Not really.
He's really jumping.
Yeah. He jumped me this morning and he literally was hanging on my arm all the way up here.
Oh.
Yeah. No.
I think he gets more hyper than the other thing than somebody.
He can.
Oh, my dog gets really excited. Oh.
He missed. You should have seen him yesterday, the other day when it was snowing, and he was literally trying to catch snowflakes, like, through the window. So he was like jumping up trying to catch the snowflake, and he jumped from this window and ran all the way to that one, thinking he could like get out. Yeah, he was going crazy about the snow. No, hey, no.
That's great.
Yeah.